Hi, this is Kim, and I'm going to be showing you how to connect the Genius Messenger and Genius Connector. And the first thing you want to do is to go to the letter that you were sent when you signed up. And once you bring up the letter, you're going to see two extensions. The first one is Genius Connector. You want to copy that link that's right here in the letter. And you want to go in and open up a new tab. And you want to put the link in and enter. And once you enter that, you'll see on the right-hand side where my cursor is here. Mine says remove from Chrome, but yours is going to say add to Chrome. I don't want to remove mine because mine's already added. So yours is going to say add to Chrome. So you want to add it and then add and add. And then once that's done, go back to the letter and go to the second extension and copy it. And once you copy it, then you want to go and open up a new tab and paste the extension in the tab and enter. And once you enter that, then again, on the right-hand side, it's going to say add to Chrome. You want to add and add. And just so that you know that you should be in Google Chrome when you're adding these extensions. So again, you want to be in Google Chrome. You can't add the extensions to your phone or an iPad. You must be using a laptop or a computer. So once those are added, then you want to open your Facebook page. And once your Facebook page is opened up, then you're going to see where my cursor is going around here to the right. You want to go up to the top and see if you can see the two blue people or the blue G. And if you can't, then you want to go to the right here where it says, where there's an axe and it says extensions, and you want to click on it. Once you click on it, you want to go down until you find Genius Connector and Genius Messenger. And look to the right where my cursor is. These pins need to be marked blue. So if they're black or gray, just click on them and change them to blue. And once they're clicked on and changed to blue, you should be able to see them up here in the right-hand side of your page where my cursor is going around, the two blue people and the blue G. So once that's done, then what you want to do is click on the two blue people, and it'll probably ask you to sign in. So sign in with your original email, and the password is 123456. So again, it's your original email, password 123456. Once you're signed in, you want to go up to the top 9 red dots and click on them. And then you want to go down here to settings and click on it. And once you've clicked on that, you want to go to add, click on add right here. And now we're going to put together our message segments. So most likely we've sent you some messages for you to be able to copy into the message segment. So you want to bring up those messages. And once you bring up the messages, there's going to be 4 pieces to each message. There's going to be an intro, a body, an explain, and a tagline. And each title will have 2 messages underneath it. So again, each title will have 2 messages underneath them: intro, body, explain, and tagline. So I'm just going to go to one right here that's all ready to go. I'll pick this one right here. And so the first thing you want to do is create your title. So in this case, my business is Automatic Leads Generator. So I'm going to go ALG, and then it's going to be group number 1, and it's going to be intro, INTRO, and this is going to be 1 of 4. This is the first segment of messages that you're going to create. So then I'm going to go over here to the first one, and I'm going to copy it. First message, copy, go into the second box and paste it. If it's showing a number or a letter, make sure you back out the number or the letter. And this one is showing a person's name. So I'm going to take out the name and I'm going to click on first name. And so it's going to say hello and then first name and then the rest of the body of the message. And once that's done, you want to click add. And then you want to go create another message and go back to the second one, the second message and intro, and copy it and go to paste. Again, take out the number. And this one says, hello, Michelle, which I'll take out the name. And I'll click on first name. That way it'll put in the person's name that the message is going to. And click add. So now you have two messages in the first segment and you want to click save message segment. Now we're going to go add. And now we're into the second one. And the second one is going to be ALG, because that's my abbreviation for my business. And this is going to be called the body, BODY. And this is the second 2 of 4. This is the second segment. So it's going to be marked 2 of 4. And then I'm going to go over here and first I'm going to click on in the box. And then I'm going to go to my body and I'm going to click on the first message and copy it. And I'm going to paste it. I'm going to take out the one, or if it's a letter, take it out. And I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to create another message. I'm going to go to number 2. And I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to take out the number 2. And I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to save message segment. Again, each segment has 2 messages in each one. Save message segment, and then go to add. And this one is ALG, explain. And then this is 3-4. This is the third segment of messages that we're putting together. So now I'm going to go down here to explain and copy number 1. I want to stay in order. Number 1s go first and then number 2s. So there's number 1. I'm going to take out the number. And I'm going to add it. And I'm going to create another message. I'm going to go back over to the explain and copy number 2. Put it in the box. Take out the number 2. And add it. There's 2 messages, save message segment. And then the last one, add. This is going to be ALG. And this is tagline. And this is 4 of 4. This is your last segment of messages. So I'm going to go over here to tagline. I'll go down to this. Was that a tagline? Tagline, here we go. And I'm copying the tagline. And let's see, when you're doing the tagline, you want to make sure that everything reads fine. I don't think I would really want my sincerely to be all capitalized. I'm going to go and fix that. So sincerely, and then you would put your name. So take out the X's or anybody else's name that's there and put in your name. And your first name is fine. So sincerely, Kimberly. And I would click add. And then I would go and get the last one. And I would create another message segment. And I would put in this message, just reply yes, sincerely. And then I would put my first name here again. Okay, I click add and save message segment. Once you've saved those message segments, then you want to go to the word group. Click on it, click the word add. And now this would probably be your first group. So you can go group If you want to put your business name there, that's fine. So ALG group number 1. And that's all I would put. If that's my business and it's the first group I'm creating. So I would click the word insert right here and message segment, click on it. And then I would go down and I would find my 1 of 4. So here's group number 1, 1 of 4, and I would click on it. And then I would insert another, and I would click on message segment. And then I would go down and click on 2 of 4. Insert another message segment, go down and click on 3 of 4. Insert another message segment, go down and click on 4 of 4. So once those are all in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, click add, and then save message segment. So now you've created your segment messages and you created your group. So in the next video, I'll show you how to create your labels and how to run the system in Facebook. Thank you and have a nice day.